Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to check and change the IP address on a Canon C5550 printer. This is useful when you need to connect the printer to a new network, assign a static IP address, or troubleshoot network printing problems. So, let's get started. Open a web browser and enter your IP address in the address bar. And sign in using your username and password. Click Login. Then click Cancel, as we do not want to update the current password. Click on Setting and Registration. Go to Network Settings. Find IPv4 settings and click on it. Now, we have successfully configured the IP address on the Canon printer. The important point is that you can now log in to the printer using the new IP address. If you need to change the printer's IP address in the future, simply replace the old IP address with the new one. Then click OK to save the changes. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.